Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you'll be able to add ChatGPT extension to your Google Chrome. This is going to make your searches very specific and straightforward. In order to get the ChatGPT extension, go to the Chrome extension, type Chrome extensions, and then select Chrome Web Store. At Chrome Web Store, type ChatGPT and hit on enter. Great, so this is your ChatGPT Chrome extension for your Google Chrome. I have already added this to my Google Chrome, and that is why it is indicated here with this green tape. So as a first timer, just click on it, and in this rectangular blue box you are going to have add extension, but I've already added this to my Chrome, so I rather have remove from Chrome, which I'm not going to do, but because I need it. So after this, go to your Chrome and then see how this is going to work for you. For instance, you type write an email for job application as a banker and hit on enter. What Google Chrome is going to do for you is that it's going to give you several templates. For instance, one from indeed.com and other templates, generic ones of course, and sometimes it's boring having to go through all this and then search for what you already need. Now, once your Chrome has ChatGPT extension installed, ChatGPT is going to do the magic here. At the right side of your screen, it is going to type specifically what you are looking for. That is an email for job application as a banker, and this is exactly what ChatGPT has done for you. So you don't need to go through all these templates, which is going to be very hectic. So just copy what ChatGPT has given you here, and then go and then paste in your documents, that is your Word application, and then do a little additions. That is your name, that is the name of or the title of whoever this letter is being sent to, and then your name and probably your signature as well. This is the magic of ChatGPT being embedded in your Chrome to make life simple for you in this 21st century. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more timeless videos.